review on these hair clippers. Philips Norelco hair clippers, self-sharpening. So let's talk about what I like. Okay, so first of all, I like that this thing, this attachment, there's only one attachment that comes with this. I like that it comes off, slides off. I like the fact that this, the clipper, what do you call it? Self-sharpening blades, whatever you want to call this. You just press that and it falls out. So you can clean this, and you can clean this. No oil needed. So I like that. I like that these blades don't need oil. Self-sharpening blades. That's all cool. Comes with this little thing to clean it. That's usually what most hair clipper sets come with, right? And then it has this wire for, charging the thing. I like the fact that it's wireless. You don't have to have it plugged in, and you can, not wire. What am I saying? Yeah, you can use it without having the wire attached once it's charged, obviously. I like that it has a really lightweight. And so that's the things that are, that I like. But some things that I don't like is that this doesn't come with, how some hair clipper sets have different attachments, and they have the one attachment where it's slanted. How do I explain this? Like, it's slanted for cutting the sides of your hair, so it has the tapered, or what is it called? Tapered, what is that look called? Faded look. So, yeah. But this doesn't have that, side thing for making it have that, your sides of your hair have that faded look, or whatever you want to call it. And then, but besides that, I like these hair clippers. But really, if you're trying to cut your own hair, there's probably, by yourself, there's probably ones that are a little bit better, more convenient for someone to cut their own hair. But if someone else is going to cut your hair and use scissors and a comb also, then it's probably, maybe you want to get these. But that's the review.